This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Lift the badge on the radiator grille, insert the key and rotate it anti-clockwise to release the bonnet. Lift the bonnet slightly and then rotate the key clockwise to release the safety catch. Open the bonnet and remove the key. Position a workshop jack under the reinforced section of the sill. Then raise the front of the vehicle and support it with an axle stand positioned under the front subframe rear mounting. Repeat this procedure on the other side of the vehicle. Undo the fasteners and remove the plastic shield under the engine. Unscrew the engine oil filler cap. Working under the vehicle, slacken the engine oil drain plug half a turn. Position a large container under the drain plug, then completely unscrew it. Keep the plug pressed into the sump while unscrewing it by hand the last couple of turns. As the plug releases from the threads, move it away sharply so the stream of oil issuing from the sump runs into the pan, not up your sleeve. Allow the oil to drain, then clean around the plug opening. Fit a new sealing washer, then refit the plug and tighten it to the specified torque. Move the container into position under the oil filter at the front side of the engine. Then unscrew the plastic cover from the underside of the oil filter housing. Be prepared for spillage. Pull the old filter element from the plastic cover. Remove the old O-ring seal. Clean the cover, then refit the new O-ring seal, ensuring it locates correctly into the groove in the cover. Smear a little clean engine oil on the new seal. Then press the new filter element into the plastic housing. Wipe clean the base of the housing, then refit the cover with the new element and tighten it to the specified torque. Remove the container from beneath the vehicle and dispose of the old oil safely. Maneuver the engine undershield into place and secure it with the fasteners. Remove the axle stands and lower the vehicle to the ground. Slide out the dipstick and wipe it clean. Using a funnel, add approximately half the specified quantity of oil, then wait a few minutes for the oil to run into the sump. Insert the dipstick, then withdraw it and observe the oil level indicated. Continue adding oil, a small quantity at a time, until the level is up to the higher mark on the dipstick. Refit the filler cap, then start the engine and allow it to run for a few minutes. With the engine switched off, allow the level to settle, then check the level on the dipstick and add more oil if necessary. Firmly close the bonnet.